So today I'm shooting my first YouTube video and it is very new to me and I'll be giving you my room tour. So let's go. Makeover and I have some Pinterest ideas which I'm going to show you next clip.
Yes, for the wall above the right side bed head, I'm going for the 3 wall paintings of a similar kind of picture. And for the left side, I'm going for the hexagonal wooden frame shown in the second picture. And for the ceilings, I really like the block kind of thing, the square one in the first picture. But if you have any idea, do let me know. And for the study table, the space above the mirror, the white space, I'm going for the lightning there. And for the side sections, the small sections, the 3 side sections, I'm going for the plants or for the decor thing. If you have any decor ideas or something like showpiece or yeah, so do let me know in the comment section below. And if you can provide me with the links of that, it will be really good for me and like easy to search for it. And for the rest of the room part, I'll be adding more plants and one different kind of light for the ceiling, the hanging light. Yeah. And if you have any other ideas apart from this which I have shown you, do let me know. And also stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully transformation wala hoga.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do like, share and comment down below what you think should I do in my room makeover video. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.